It's Black Friday. Hurry up to get up to 90% discount on each of these bundles, courses, and assets for Blender, Godot, Unity, Unreal, and more. There's more than 93 courses and assets available, and you can save up to 95% on some of them. For example, this Complete Beginner Blender Artist Bundle, which will guide you from beginner to expert. This bundle contains up to 5 complete courses whose prices sum up to more than $600, but you get everything for just $30 right now. And you get all your money back within 30 days if you are not satisfied. No questions asked. You can also sort these bundles by level to know exactly which courses to start with. I personally recommend the Complete Unity 3D Bundle, which will teach you how to make impressive games of various genres, either 2D or 3D, in more than 73 hours of lecture. This bundle contains 5 courses whose prices sum up to more than $700, but you can get everything for just $30 right now. If you scroll carefully through the pages, you will also find some completely free assets, such as this one. And if you are an Unreal Engine user, you can get this complete survival game creation course, which will teach you everything you need to know to create amazing survival games for only $10. Just use my link in the description to save lots of money on all these bundles provided by GameDev.tv before the 2nd of December. Using the link in the description also helps this channel survive. So thank you, and I will see you next time.